Hello guys, today we wanna open this confetti pots. So we have the rubber band here. We just pop it out and voila, it's all confetti here. And we still have a confetti, but I am opening this up. This place giant, but this is not the confetti anywhere. What is confetti here? Let's open this So I got Twilight Sparkle here. He got shiny and he just with a cake. Here. And it's very nice and cute. So my sister is crying before and now he already. I have Twilight Sparkle. He's so sweet and cute. And this is Twilight Sparkle. He'll have a mermaid tail. Do you think this mermaid tail very cute? And he just with a cake. Very, very cute. I love it. Now he is sweet in here, and I just care what is this? Confetti in my hair. So my sister is coming now. We just like driving a car with a chair, and wow, I got so many. And this is what we got it. Look at this. So this is Twilight Sparkle and me told my sister to do it. And let's go raining her first. See, come over to me. And all confetti, massy in here. This is all of the confetti. And Twilight will be raining. Look, my sister. Raining confetti. Twilight. So Twilight Sparkle, do you think this is pretty? I have a Twilight, but this is a big toy and this is shiny. So we didn't want got messy and let's go just this. So what the?
Hey!
What is this raining? Do you think that's a big giant lion with a pony? But her cutie mark is didn't say her cutie mark. Just like that. Oh my god. Oh, confetti cannot messing. My sister. Confetti. And let's go put the cake. Confetti. Yay, confetti into my pen. I love the color. And now rubbish bin.
No, don't put in a rubbish bin.
Do you think this is the rubbish bin cake?
Yes. This is the character. We got the clown.
Shanta Shimmer with a photo and where's
Where's Celestia?
Celestia?
Celestia is the
Queen. This one with Celestia with what the Let me just as a mini don't just
So my sister also have this one little Christmas. It's the big one.
So now bye guys, don't forget for company.